Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MYOS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. Unfortunately, though, it was a pretty savage day in trading terminology. You would summarize this as just a big old gap and trap. So maybe if you're new to charts, what do I mean by gap and trap? So let's just set up the overarching context here. On Tuesday, the price closed down there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence what is known as a gap up. And in this situation, a very, very, very big gap up. And then after the opening bell rang, the price made us a little bit of a move up here, but this is where things get savage because people, poor souls, were buying up around here, and then from that point forward, it was basically all selling pressure the remainder of the day. So that's the gap up, the gap and trap that took place. And now it's really just a question of, can the bleeding finally stop? Is this thing going to be able to chip away and build some sort of higher base? And that's where the first key level of support comes into play, right here around $1.65. Now, $1.65, this is not coming from anything fancy or anything like that, other than the fact of that is just simply where the downwards pressure stopped. And not only did it stop, it actually produced a little miniature bounce to the upside. So at least the price has started to go back upwards as opposed to, having this thing just continue to drop and drop and drop literally all day long. So a little bit of a bounce. That could just be a dead cat bounce. But like I said, the point here being is at least it stopped, and that's what makes $1.65 a very helpful level because, if the price just, goes down there to $1.65 and then cuts through there like a warm knife through butter, well, at that point, it's looking like the gap and trap is continuing. But as of now, it's held, so keep a close eye on that. In the event the bounce continues on up, next key level of resistance to watch closely if there's going to be any sort of continued momentum is going to be right there at the $1.95 mark. And then after $1.95, next key level after that, up around $2.25. But yeah, things are looking very, very shaky, but we'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.